Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about what is experience fragment, how experience fragment can be created, and what is uses of experience fragment. Okay, first we will see what is experience fragment. Experience fragment mainly used for the reusability purpose. So the term reusability means using the same thing again and again. Okay, suppose I have same content. I need to use that same content in multiple pages. With experience fragment, I can achieve it. Okay. In short, what is experience fragment means we need to author once and use that content in multiple places in pages. Okay. So where experience fragment can be created? First, experience fragment created under content slash experience fragment. Okay. Now we will go through the experience fragment, how to create that experience fragment in practical way. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to the AEM official site. So this is a home page. We need to log in this page. I'm going to log in this page. We need to give username and password. After that, we can sign in. Successfully AEM sign in. This is the navigation panel. Here you are seeing a project site experience fragment, assets like this, all this. Now we are opening experience fragment. I'm clicking on experience fragment. See, how to create an experience fragment. These are the steps for creating experience fragment. First, we need to navigate to experience fragment. Then we need to click on create. Then we need to create an experience fragment. Then we need to take one template and we to give enter title and click on create button so that experience fragment can be created. Okay, now we'll see. So first we need to click on experience fragment. Next we need to click on create experience fragment. So we need to select template and we need to click on next. So title I am giving experience fragment something 44. I'm giving then create. Now experience fragment successfully created. I need to open it. See, successfully experience fragment created. Now we need to add the required components on the created experience fragment. Okay, now we will do authoring. Okay, see, this is the page. We need to add content. Okay, and now I'm clicking on. So I'm taking one component, that is image. Okay, now we need to add image here. So we need to click on configure button. So we need to drag and drop images. I'm clicking on OK button. So successfully image migrated here. I'm taking another component, that is heading bar. Okay, here we need to give title. We need to We can take a title tag size large or extra large. I'm taking extra large only. And I'm giving title as you need to work hard to achieve your goals. I'm clicking OK button. Okay. Now we can modify this by using different style options. Clicking on styles, we can, this is a test alignment is there. You can align to left also, you can align to center also, you can align to right also. Okay, we can take the different colors like dark gray, medium gray, black. It will change automatically. Red also is there. Green, I am going with green. Okay, see, now successfully this is successfully content created on experience fragment. We can view it how that content created. So our content created here. So now we need to now I'm going to create another page. I need to embed this content by using experience fragment component. Okay, I'm going to create another page. So for creating another page, we need to go to the sites. So I am going to the I'm going to the sample site, sample page. So here we need to create. I'm creating one sample page. Taking one sample template. I'm clicking next. I'm giving title as so page has been successfully created. I need to open this. So it is loading. We need to wait. See, page has been opened successfully. So what is our task now? See, already we created our required content here. So we need to add that content here. So here we will take component. I'm taking experience fragment component. So I'm taking. So here we need to give path of that experience fragment, which we created in configure. See, we need to give experience fragment path. I'm clicking on it. See, successfully I'm a given path. See, successfully automatically our previous content which we prepared, that is embedded here. Okay, so I think you understand my lecture. Thank you.